In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 2FA on Discord. Two-factor authentication adds an extra lock to your account by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. To follow along, you'll need access to your Discord account, your current password, and an authenticator app on your phone. Any standard authenticator app works. Start by opening the Discord app on your computer, or go to discord.com in a browser and log in. At the bottom left, next to your username, click the gear icon to open user settings. In the left sidebar, choose My Account to view your account overview. Scroll to the Password and Authentication section and find the option labeled Enable Two-Factor Auth. Before you proceed, make sure you're on a trusted device and network, since you'll be confirming your identity. Keep your phone nearby so you can switch between screens smoothly. If you're using Discord on mobile, the path is similar. Open Settings from your profile, go to My Account, then Password and Authentication. The desktop view just makes scanning the QR code a bit easier. When you select Enable Two-Factor Auth, Discord will first ask for your current password to confirm it's you. Enter it carefully and continue. A QR code will appear on screen. On your phone, open your Authenticator app. If you haven't added Discord before, add a new account and scan the QR code. If scanning doesn't work, turn up your screen brightness, hold the phone steady, or choose Manual Setup and type in the setup key shown. Once Discord is added to your Authenticator app, it will generate a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Back on Discord, enter that 6-digit code exactly as it appears. Then click Activate. If the code rolls over before you submit it, wait for the next one and try again. If you see an error, make sure your phone's time and date are set to update automatically, because time-based codes rely on an accurate clock. After you click Activate, you're all set. Two-factor authentication is now enabled on your Discord account, and the next time you log in, you'll enter your password and then a fresh code from your Authenticator app. Keep your phone secure and don't share codes or screenshots with anyone. If you ever change phones, plan ahead by transferring your Authenticator app so you keep access to your codes. And as always, use a strong, unique password for your account. That's it. You've just added a solid layer of protection to your Discord.